Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Quiver podcast. Before we start recording our episode, we'd like to offer a moment to sympathize with the families of Divine Adili and Reneba Terbonia. Sadly, passed away earlier in the week. As a Lasallian community, we also offer sincere condolences to the families of these high potential players that we sadly lost. And yeah, Vic, I think um, we are united, right, in saying na we want reconciliation in their situation.
Sa akin I just hope the family finds peace in their hearts and answers that they're really looking for. It's been a week, and ako that's the hardest part. Uh seeing in the news that hindi pa rin nila they still don't get the answers that they're looking for. So I'm just praying for uh peace of mind while they're grieving. At least that's one thing that can help them relieve yung grief that they're feeling right now. So ako yun yung ano ko. I hope they can find peace in their hearts and on their minds as they go through along this difficult time.
Right? So with that, we still want to talk about the basketball, and of course, we are the Quiver podcast talking about LaSalle sports, and there were two LaSalle preseason
Yep,
games that took place
this long
this
weekend.
Independence Day weekend. So una, happy Independence Day. Then, maraming nakinabang yan. I mean, in terms of nakapagpahinga from a long week at work. And nakanood ng Lasal basketball, at least sa side
Yep.
natin in the community. So I am Brian, joined today by Vic, as mentioned earlier, and Willie. Ayan,
Oh,
hindi na
really?
nagtatago.
I'm back.
Hindi
Tsaka
na
pala.
nagtatago
I'm
from
back.
Tsaka pala.
wala ka namang winagayway na watawat sa Cavite. Kawit, ganyan.
Wala. Ano yun, nasa QC ako. Ano yun, pinagayway ko yung, yung
Okay.
office flag. Yung office flag.
Anong inano mo?
Office flag.
Anong winawagay mo?
Yung
Office
office
flag.
flag.
Oh.
Kasi
Nanood sa
Yeah.
PBA
kasi
eh.
di umubra yung
Nanood
swerte
sa
ng...
PBA.
Kasi di umubra yung swerte ni Airpods eh. Hindi umubra
Eh,
sa pros.
sa green and white lang
Baka
yata.
ano lang
green
yun,
and white
hindi
talaga.
pang UAAP lang swerte ng tatay mo.
Ah,
Okay.
Hindi,
Pag
Depende
may
sa-
blue,
hindi
hindi
siya
gumagana
carry
eh.
over. Hindi siya carry
Pag may
over.
blue and yellow, hindi gumagana.
Wala.
Ayun,
Ano daw, Willie, kailangan green talaga. Hindi pwede mixture.
Kailangan green
Oo,
talaga.
kailangan smart na daw yung i-represent, hindi na TNT.
Kailangan smart. Baka sakaling mag-champion pag nanood si Tito. Smart
Okay,
Kami
dapat.
kanina, wala kami. Nanalo TNT.
Oo, alam na talaga.
Alam na talaga.
Ayan, so in case you missed it, of course, the scores were in favor of Lasal. It was a clean sweep this weekend. First beating FEU 82-77, and then beating Adamson 85-82.
85-82.
Parang ano siya, no, two close games which were actually close towards the finish, but both of these games had different complexions. And Vic, ikaw na mag-intro sa amin since ikaw yung nakanood live of both. Ako napanood ko kami ni Willie, pero syempre not as
Si
comprehensive.
Willie,
as
Van Life
did.
yung pinanood ni Willie. Van Life.
Ay.
Van Life.
Please
Yung
clarify.
PBA nga, yung
PBA.
PBA. Yung,
Ay,
PBA. Van Life.
Medyo kinabahan ako doon.
Sa may Quezon City. Quezon City kami. Tama ba? Quezon City yung laro o sa MOA?
Sa Araneta City, hindi
Ay,
sa Quezon
Araneta.
Ave.
QC pa rin. Pasok pa rin yung pinanood mo live. Anyhow, sige. Let's go
ano
to the game.
pinagkaiba nung dalawa? Yeah, so Vic, yan, expound mo.
Ah,
To those who missed it.
paano ba to? I think ang common denominator for both games is we're playing with pace. Similarly to how we're playing last year, preseason. We're playing with pace kasi nga we're almost using a lot of the team. No? Maraming niro-rotate na players. That's why I think we can really push. Kumbaga, we can really up the tempo ng mga games. I mean, for these two games, considering one day break lang to, which was Saturday. Pero yung pace natin is there. Talagang we try to push the ball every time we get a chance. Make or miss to whether make or miss ng kalaban natin, once we get that ball, we really push really hard. So pares lang siya against FEU and Adamson kanina. So I think the difference lang really was that against FEU, nakakalamang tayo ng mga 6-5 and then 5 to 6 points or 5 to 7 points, and then FEU will also mount their own counter run, especially they have Jorik, they have John Ray. Si Cubs was really playing super extended minutes kasi nga injured si Mongkopa. So Cubs was really tested nung Friday. Siya yung halos babad yung kanyang playing time, playing the power forward spot kasi nga wala si Kirby. So I think FEU fought well nung Friday. That's why ano rin siya, it was really a close game, and I think we were just able to pull away I think mga closing stages ng fourth quarter. While for Adamson, we really led by a very very large margin. First quarter pa lang to, we were able to establish the lead. Um, and I think we ended the third quarter 72-53, and then Adamson mounted a huge rally no fourth quarter. But I think it's really more of us than them. Um, Adamson had their momentum, but I think partly to blame din tayo because of the tempo that we're playing. And dahil doon, kasi we're playing on a very very high tempo, I think yung turnovers natin hurt us in the fourth quarter. Um, Turnovers, plus we fell into the trap of poor shot selection then on that stretch na si Adamson was making a run. Yun, ang daming turnovers, and then Adamson got to score easy baskets, and then it gave them confidence to hit their uh, 3-point shots, perimeter jumpers. That's why nahabol din. But yun nga, as I've mentioned to the others, sa Phil Oil Karina kakaina after the game was, yun nga, I mean, once we turned on the switch again, it was a night for Adamson. Especially that turnover after the timeout, medyo for coaches, it's really medyo masakit sa mata yon. It's painful and hurt. It's painful and hurt to watch. Medyo masakit yon for coaches na nag-draw up ka ng play and inbound pa lang hindi mo na magawa. So um, good job to us playing defense on that stretch, and then yun nga, we were able to eke out two straight wins. So it's a very very good weekend for us. Hindi lang the long weekend bakasyon, but we were 2-0 in our Philoil matches.
Yeah, that's well put. And people will, if they will just look at the score, diba? Parang andali sabihin na, oh, Lasal kind of survived, but they really tell two different stories. And that's what we're looking for in the preseason. Eh. Not necessarily to win, but to really encounter several situations.
Yes, correct.
Maganda na magkaiba, diba? Kasi kung pareho lang, parang, I mean, hindi nagkakaroon yung variance, hindi masyado nasusubukan. Parang limited
Hindi mo na
lang
rin
yung
natetest
variance
yung
ng
sarili
result.
mo eh.
Pero yung kanina at saka yung nung FAU, 'di ba? Both tough games in different ways. And
Yes, oo.
siguro ganun siya madedescribe, and parang maganda nga rin yung binanggit mo kanina, Vic, no pre-prod, and parang binanggit mo na hindi talaga tumawag ng timeout si coach, 'di ba? Parang
Yeah. On that fourth quarter run ni Adamson, parang hindi tayo tumawag ng, as far as I recall.
oo.
I can't recall Coach T calling a timeout on that one. So talagang he really allowed the players to play, and kumbaga parang get out of that hole. Parang yun yung mindset niya kanina na kayo you allowed Adamson to come back, take the lead. So bahala kayo dyan how paano nyo didiskarte yan. It's nice to do these kinds of things during preseason so that pagdating ng UAAP, we have an idea what to do already when faced with those kinds of adversities na alam mo yun, you're up big, habol ka ng kalaban mo, and then you still have that mental toughness to finish the game strong.
Ayan, so after hearing from Vic, syempre, tatanungin din natin si Willie. There's this one player, if in case yung former, pag dito, hindi ba former, yung mga fans natin na hindi na nakakanood na ibang games, parang naninibago sila sa roster lineup, sa shake-up ng lineup natin. Weighing number 95, si Jason Seibel had a good stretch in both of the
Sobra.
games. Uh, Bago ko ibalik kay Vic, syempre tanungin ko muna si Willie. Anong first impressions mo sa more exposure nito ni Jason Seibel?
Pogi.
First of all, hayop talaga. Grabe. Hayop sa galing.
Kahit sa gandang lalaki.
Hayop talaga. Wala tayong laban dyan. pero ano yun, in all seriousness, yung first impression ko sa kanya was really in sa group chat natin, no, si Saibol getting praises from si Vic. So, nung nakita ko yun na talagang in terms of player ability, napaka-upgrade nga si Saibol to our lineup, particularly for the point guard spot, no. And seeing him getting high praise from si Vic is something na it caught my eye talaga. Sabi ko, kung na-impress si Vic sa kanya, sige nga, tignan ko nga. So, I managed to to load up the game, no, the live stream. Tapos pinanood ko, sakto, second quarter ata yun. Tapos, ano yun, kung anong pinupuri ni Vic at that time, I got to see it live. Nakita ko, I think he had some very good sequences, no, in facilitating the plays and even scoring. Naabutan ko pa yung buzzer beater na three-pointer niya to end the first half.
Grabe yun.
Nakita ko, sabi ko, grabe. So far in the sequences na nakita ko, ano yun, I can see why si Vic was impressed with him. And even here in the earlier Adamson game, you can really see him playing steady. Of course, ano yun, I think in the stretch that I saw him play in the second quarter or in mga bandang third na he had some turnovers then, but overall very steady play pa rin naman siya. And it's nice to see that level of steadiness in your point guard kasi that means si Jacob can have long stretches of rest din naman.
Yun.
Like yung kanina and even in the FEU game.
Dali.
In the past 3 games, we've seen si Jacob really coming up big clutch, no? Not necessarily in scoring, but even in the decision making. It's part of him being well rested. He's able to make the proper call and make the proper play. So it's exciting to see what si Saibol can offer this coming UAP season to the team.
Yeah, I think ang takeaway ko lang is napaisip tuloy ako kasi 'di ba World Cup season and all. Ang gusto kong i-request sa DLS Sports or sa UAAP itself. Meron yung mga players na yung name nila tapos nandun yung sasabihin nila kung paano nila sasabihin yung name nila. Kunwari, sabihin ko, I'm Brent.
Parang sa football. Parang sa football
Tapos
player.
uulitin nila. Kasi hindi ako sure eh. I mean, feeling ko tama yung Saibol. Pero kung mali man, Jason or anyone in the team,
You can just
you can tell
message
us. Pero, I really, speaking of him, di ba, si Jason, ganda yung, contribution niya, and pumasa nga din siya sa eye test in a prolonged stretch. Kasi this is not the first time we saw him play for LaSalle. We saw him nung, di ba, Asia Basket and other stints. But, parang sa akin, meaningful minutes, trying to see how he reads his teammates din eh. Kasi, we've seen players play for LaSalle na magaling sila individually, pero parang hindi lumalabas yung true potential nila kasi nga na hold back sila nung teammates, nung system, ganun. So parang I think it's encouraging for me to see Saibol na medyo comfortable siya sa system, hindi siya out of place, fits right in. Vic, siguro you can expound what you like from him bringing to the table so far in this preseason.
I think he stabilizes yung point guard spot for us. Flat eh. parang flat siya talaga na he knows how to set up the table, run the plays, put his teammates on the best position, can pass, can shoot, can drive, can play defense. It really gives us that much needed stability on the point guard position, especially yun nga, given na si Kian already went pro instead of playing out itong final year niya for us. So yun, sobrang happy and thankful at the moment with what I see in him. Galing eh. Parang timely talaga, has a very high feel of the game. Parang alam niya kailan siya titira, alam niya kailan siya atake, alam niya kailan niya mag kailan niya ilalatag yung mesa for his teammates, 'di ba? Ang galing lang kasi binanggit na ni Willie kanina. I think that's the really important thing. It will help Jacob spell valuable minutes sa bench. Kasi remember, 'di ba? Season 88, we really I personally felt like na extend talaga si Jacob eh. Kasi due to unforeseen circumstances, yun nga, injured si Kian. Tas um pagbalik ni Kian, hindi naman din kagad 100% si Kian that can really play the point guard spot, no? So yun yung ano, I think yun yung pinaka value right now ni Jason, apart from bringing that very much needed stability sa backcourt. It will really help Jacob to get some very much needed resting time. Kaya sabi ko nga, pagdating ng UAAP, it will crucial na ganyan din yung ilalaro niya kasi we all know players that play very good in the preseason, pero pagdating ng actual tournament, meron silang problema when the bright lights are on and yung spotlight nasa kanila. So I'm praying that Jason will continue to play like that even in the actual UAAP tournament, kasi kailangan natin yung ganyan level of steadiness ni Jason kasi ang daming nagagawa, ang daming importance ng ganyang klaseng level of play ni Jason. I'm just really happy that he'll play for us. Itong ano na to, season na to, kasi sobrang laking tulong so far.
Yeah, and every little help matters, diba? And
No,
hindi lang nga ito little help eh. I think this is
yeah,
a
agree,
big
agree,
help, major
agree.
help. Aside from Jason and of course Jacob, whose clutch performances have been a trademark already, parang i-expect mo na siya not to put too much pressure, pero alam naman ni Jacob yung pressure ng Lasal environment, so nothing new from him. Who else impressed you the most? Unahan ko na siguro, I'll just pitch a name and then you
Yeah,
can
sige.
harp on it and maybe agree or otherwise. Parang ako, okay din na Voris is getting a lot more minutes,
Yes.
no? We all know na he's missed a lot of time in preseason.
Yep.
To the point na some people in the comments, parang they're wondering where Voris is. Sabi nga ni
Yan.
Jeff,
Andyan na.
kapag-artista na
Andyan
lang.
na.
Ayan. Ayan na si Boris, diba? And he's getting to play, crucial minutes rin actually, especially in the Adamson stretch. I think binigyan siya ng sinadya talaga na some of the plays will go to him. And syempre, knowing Boris how he plays, he's not shy. At least after last season, I don't think he'll want to come back to that bit part involvement he had the season before. Syempre, bagay na niya, na nakuha na niya yung sistema, and I think he's also one of the trusted players by Coach Topex to deliver. Kapag kunwari malamig si Jacob, malamig si Mason, Pabs could get his
Yeah.
his coaches. I think si Voris is one of those players na sasandalan natin in clutch situations. How about you guys? Siguro si Vic and then si Willie. Sino pa yung ibang players so far in the let's just zoom in on the weekend games. Yung parang plus factor sila this time. Parang boost their stock heading into season 89.
Ako yung bigs. I want to talk about the bigs. Si Mace, si Pabs, Seven, those guys, no. Yun kasi uh, we've been tested this past itong last two games natin. Considering that magkaiba yung hulma nitong FEU and Adamson as far as bigs are concerned. Yes, both have um, FSAs, but I think yung length ng FEU is medyo top notch as compared dito kay Adamson na may mga smaller, may mga guys playing the four spot na medyo wing talaga yung ni lalaro. So that's why I have to commend the bigs to really have the mindset and consciousness to punish. Pag alam nilang mismatch yung binabantayan nila, they go at it, no. Especially also I have to comment attacking yung mga imports, yung mga FSAs, no. Si Konate and si ano pa to Jonah Precious of Adamson kanina na pag alam natin na we can attack them, we do attack them. Kasi it helps na ma-foul trouble din tong mga ano tong mga FSAs na to, no. So ako yung Bigs, me, si Pabs and si Seven. So yun yung ano ko. I have to commend those guys na slowly kasi yan yung ano natin talaga eh. That's the challenge really, especially si Mike wala na. So it will really be a ano pa to committee. Yung we cannot really replace si Michael Phillips, but ang takeaway dito is that we have to really do it by committee. Ang ano ko lang dito sana ano pa to later on we get to see our FSAs as well. I'm not sure if it's Mo or if it's Henry. So either way, depende kung sino na yung pwede makalaro sa kanila so that we would also get to see how they will contribute sa mga games natin. Although si Mo, we have seen Mo already, but hopefully si Henry. Sana we get to see how he goes kasi ang tagal na rin niyang nakasit out. And yun, we definitely missed his presence. So I'm hoping makabalik na siya ulit.
Ayan, before I let Willie speak, nabanggit mo na dun sa mo. I just hope he's alright kasi hindi siya naglaro this weekend.
Yeah, parehas.
Maybe
But
ano yun,
ano,
maybe
he's there,
sickness.
hindi lang talaga naka-uniform. Alin?
Ano?
It's sickness.
Maybe it's sickness.
It's sickness.
Well, I just hope hindi contagious kasi nandun siya sa bench if that is indeed
Oo,
sickness.
medyo ano yan. Oo, tama.
Ayan. But baka rin sinadya lang na we want to see the system without him and then parang feeling ko medyo lugi kung laro siya ulit sa Gilas Youth. So maybe in the UP game na siya
Ay,
magpakita.
oo. Correct.
But let's see. Baka mag-request din si Coach Juno. Hindi, kailangan niya laro si ano.
Ay, oo, pwede din. Just to test. Kasi ano rin eh.
Oo.
I think, I think, Bri, I have to agree with you. Kasi in the internationals, they need to get used to seeing those kinds of players. Kasi the other countries definitely are way taller than our
Yeah.
Gilas Youth boys eh. So, tama ka. Maybe they will have
Let's see. Pero bahala na din yung coaching staff natin. Like,
of course.
Magandang abangan yan sa Thursday. Kung kasi that's the next game of our team on Thursday. Ikaw, Willie, sino yung plus factor sa'yo in these two games?
Player. Baka may
Player.
baka iba yung sarili ko.
Siyempre, may mga...
Player.
Buti, buti kinlaro mo na eh. Buti kinlaro mo.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo, kailangan klaruhin natin eh. Iba yung X factor na nasa
X
isip
factor.
mo eh. Iba eh.
Oo. Pero I agree with yung choices ni Vic, particularly that si Mason. During that FEU game, talagang defensive player siya of the game no? Na selected post-game award. And kita din naman he really covered si Konate well. I think he blocked Konate twice or thrice ata in certain sequences.
Twice.
Oo, twice. So, ayun, it's nice to see Mason really putting in the work no? Still continuing to answer yung mga critics sa kanya, calling him na he has no defense. Ayun, it's nice to see him continue to show what he's capable of. And then siguro for my personal choice earlier, from what I've been able to see, it's nice to see din si Ryle, si Melencio, no, yun,
Yeah, oo. Tama, tama.
getting there na rin naman. So he had he had a good game. I think he managed to score several buckets, pull down a few rebounds, and ayun, it's nice to see si Ryle, no, getting yung touches na to, and hopefully it helps boost yung confidence din niya. Is one of yung mga wing players din natin na we would like to see, have some sort of a breakout season din naman to show everyone why we got him to join the team.
Yung ano nga lang
Yeah.
kanina, nag fall out siya
Nag-foul out siya. Oo, tama.
third quarter pa lang nag-fall out na siya.
Sayang.
Nagkaroon siya ng 3 fouls na halos
Nagigil lang kanina eh.
At least, diba, nasagad niya. Nasagad niya yung Di
Sinulit
na pwede
na.
sabihin, ibalik niyo ako sa fort kasi hindi na pwede.
Oo.
Ayan, so looking at our schedule, of course, coming up on Thursday is a game with Gilas Youth. That's 5 p.m. Thursday. So if ever tapos na yung work, yun, sakto you can stream sa Puso P. Ayan, i-promote natin
Yeah, Puso P.
friends at Puso P.
Puso P.
This is Puso. Yan, may alasas kayo sa, na lang.
Saka siya,
catchy jingle na lang.
If you,
And then,
if you watch the games live, guys, yan yung mga ano nyo. Uulit na utak niya, maniwala kayo. If you watch the games live, medyo maano kayo dyan. You'll get familiarize those.
Pag sa office niyo, pag bigla niyo na lang narinig may kumakanta niyan, alam niyo na kung sino nanonood.
Oo. Malamang galing Phil Oil yan.
Talagang i-hammer niya sa utak mo kasi ilang beses mo siya rinig.
Tama.
Kung nandun ka pa for the 4 games, kung sinimulan mo nung umpisa
hanggang... talagang ano ka na. Kitoks. O, di ba? Meron ka na ano yan. Meron ka na yan. Pare, pasok sa utak mo yan. Tsaka syempre sa ABCD pwede yung original.
Sigurado ka.
Di ka papalya.
Oo, di ka papalya.
Hindi, tignan mo, ito yung effect niya eh. Hindi kami sponsored ng mga to, pero nababanggit pa rin namin.
Oo, sana. Meron ng name recall. Di ba?
Pero sana may name recall din sa inyo yung Ibarra Watches. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, pag yung Ibarra Watches, you probably listen to the show. Pwede rin naman hindi. Pero nandito na tayo, of course, our friends from Ibarra Watches. Check out their watch collection, widely posted sa kanilang socials. They also have a website. And of course, you can buy from them there, and you can also buy some limited edition watches at the DLSA office. Of course, proceeds, part of it go to the DLSA Athletic Scholarship Fund, help supporting our athletes in Lasal. So, ayan, check out, especially yung Quiver dial.
Yep.
Yung archer na pag nasinaga ng ilaw at the right angle, kikita mo siya. Pero pag hindi nasinaga ng maayos, nakatago lang. So, it's really, nice craft. Pag napadpad nga ako ng DLSA office, baka spotted ko din. Ayan, so that's it for us. A very short episode compared to previous, but before
Over
that...
tayo ng 25 minutes.
Over ba ng 25? Oo nga eh. Pero okay lang, wala namang sa atin, nag-advise sa atin na more than that time.
Yeah.
Siguro, syempre, a few Lasallian birthdays lang na nakita ko in our feed to our IG. Belated birthday greetings kay Coach Ren. Actually, ngayon yun. Pero bukas to
Happy
lalabas.
birthday,
So,
Coach.
belated birthday greetings, Coach Ren. Or happy birthday kasi Sunday naman natin to nare-record. And of course, belated birthday greeting din kay JC.
Yun!
Belated JC.
Ayan, inspired siguro si JC.
Bray, pahabol lang pala. Kung may magsasabi sa atin na dapat ka lang. Dapat hanggang 30 minutes or less lang kayo. Meron akong delikadesa, magre-resign ako, pre. aalis ako sa show. Kasi meron ng delikadesa eh. I will definitely resign from my post as one of the hosts here. Pag may nagko-control sa akin na magsalita, magre-resign ako. Meron ng delikadesa eh.
I
Yun
think 69 minutes naman yung time limit natin.
Ah,
We
okay,
only
okay.
reach
Sige,
it on
sige.
special cases. Kapag napasarap na yung usapan. Pero hindi naman natin madalas binipreach yun. So, think we're safe. Nice. No,
Yes.
no, really nice.
Oh, nice, nice.
Nice. Yung favorite ni team na football team ni Willie yan.
Oo.
OGC.
Lil.
OGC.
Si Lil.
Lil,
Nice. Tsaka isa
Yun
pa.
na lang. Ang ganda na lang.
Wala pa
Doon
bang
lang yun.
kaya?
Oo.
Pag kayong League O. Di ba? League O.
Oo.
League ang, yan.
Shoutout
Okay,
din
para malaman yung mga sinasabi
kung
ng
mahanapan
football
niyo ako
team.
ng kit niyan, ano yun, Leeds appreciated.
Yan. Comment down below.
Comment down below
Kung ano man yung
if you know, you know.
Ayan, so ako ang babatiin ko lang si Lewis Hamilton. Ayan, thank you Lewis.
Sakto. Mabot na.
Forza Ferrari, yung mga fellow tifosi natin na nasa lista ko.
Mabot
Alam
na.
ko marami kayo. So, comment na lang kayo dyan. Ayan, so looking forward, of course, we'll discuss, of course, in the off-season, we'll just discuss LaSalle Sports. That's what we want to
Pero
discuss
malapit na rin
from time
kung
to time.
tutusin. We're
Yeah,
in the
it's
middle
just
of
ano,
June already. And,
Ano na, 3 months. Saktong 3 months. I mean,
Yeah.
well, less than.
we're in the
September
middle of
12,
June,
diba?
and as you all know, the I think season 89 will start September 12. Yun yung opening. So,
Yes.
lapit na guys. Malapit na ulit.
Yeah,
Ulot na lang yan.
in the lead up of it, of course, we'll talk about LaSalle Sports as they come along. And of course, kahit walang game and we have quorum, enough people that we can gather when we usually record. Ganap kami na mapapag-usapan, syempre. But of course, we'll try to build it up slowly sa UAP. Malay nyo, may sumali sa amin sa show, diba? If we're lucky enough to have that presence. So that's all for us today. I'm Brian, here with Willie and Vic. As you always say, guys,
Ano mo na sa
Animal Asal.